So hello people, today I'm gonna show you some of my mandala arts that I have drawn till now. So let's start. So first I have these beautiful mandala art and I have uploaded video of these mandala art in my channel. Make sure to check it out. Next I have this beautiful Ganeshji mandala art that I have drawn. So this is the most favorite mandala art and I love this so much. Also make sure you guys check it out. Next I have these beautiful butterfly mandala art shadings on these mandala art. Also you can check the full video of this mandala art on my YouTube channel. Here you can see I have done pencil shadings again. This one is my most favorite mandala art and I love this so much. See how I have drawn some flowers to make it look more aesthetic. Next I have these beautiful peacock mandala art. Again I have drawn these by using just 5 rupees black pen and again I love this mandala art and I have just drawn it randomly. The random patterns I have drawn here is just I love it. Also guys, you can check this out, the whole video on my YouTube channel. I have uploaded the whole video of this mandala art. So next I have these beautiful aesthetic mandala art. I have just drawn random patterns whatever is on my mind. So this one is again my most favorite mandala art and I love this so much. These mandala art consists of just random patterns, anything you don't need to decide from earlier. It's just what's going on in your mind. You can draw whatever you want to draw. So I have these mandala arts till now. Next I'm gonna show you these mandala art. So this is not precisely a mandala art, it's just an rectangle art patterns that I have drawn randomly. Choose one of the pattern in your mind. Then you just need a black pen, either it could be sketch pen, marker or any other pen. These drawing I am showing here, I have just drawn it by using a simple marker. As you can see, I have drawn some flower patterns and I have done some pencil shadings and did this whole mandala art just by using 10 rupees marker. This is enough to draw a mandala art. Now you can see here random patterns I have drawn. These are the most beautiful random patterns that I several times used to draw. So here I have next mandala art and I have uploaded video of this whole mandala art on my YouTube channel. This small tiny mandala art takes my heart and you can see here are some fine lines also. Again let me tell you guys, I have drawn this art just by using a marker. You can draw this by using a simple pen. Again this is my favorite. Also I don't know whether camera is able to capture or not, but I have done some shadings on it. So next I have this copy to show you all, and in this copy I have drawn some of my drawing works. So first of all I would like to start with these mandala art and you can check this out on my YouTube channel as a shorts. I have uploaded it. This is a cute mom and baby drawing that I love it. And next is these beautiful girl mandala art and I have drawn just patterns whatever is there on my mind. So I like these both mandala arts very much. As you can see guys, I have drawn some random drawing patterns like this whole dot pattern, and then there is a straight line and some flowers are there and some dotted patterns are there. So it's just my favorite. Next I have these again most beautiful and most favorite mandala arts of mine. I love both of these and these both are most favorite of mine. I can't tell you how. So first I have these beautiful lotus mandala art and I have done some pencil shadings with color pencil. I don't know whether camera is able to capture or not, but I have done pencil shading with pink and yellow color, pink, yellow and orange color to be precise, and some of random patterns like lines, dots and some floral patterns. Next I have these leaf patterns Zentangle art. It is basically a form of Zentangle art and look at the edges guys, I love this. Look at the edges of these leaves. You may also fall in love with this and I love both of these drawings very much. I have drawn some random patterns, whatever is there on my mind. You can also choose any pattern and you can draw anything that you want. Next I have these traditional girl mandala art also. I have drawn these just by using black pen And I guess this is the most famous mandala art that you can find out on internet. Whether you can search for any mandala art, I'm sure that you will gonna see this picture in front of you. So next I have these butterfly mandala art again, and I have done some pencil color on these mandala art. Again I have decorated this beautiful butterflies with orange, yellow and some pinkish pencil colors and drawn some patterns just to make it look more beautiful. Comment down below how much you like it. So next I have these doodle of 2023, and I have done the whole video but unfortunately lost that video because of some technical issues. And next I have these again peacock mandala art, and I have drawn these by using just black pen, marker and I guess a sketch pen. So here also I have drawn some beautiful leaf pattern, flower pattern and random any pattern that you want to draw. You can make it more beautiful by whatever you want to draw or whatever you want to do to make it look more awesome. So closing to this copy, and I have only this much to show you in this copy. So moving on to next one, I have one more beautiful mandala art that I have drawn I guess 2 to 3 years ago. So this is again my favorite mandala art that I have drawn these using by black pen or red pen and sketch pen. And this mandala art I guess is very old one among all these. This is the most old mandala art that I am showing you in this video. Make sure to comment down below whether you like this Ma Durga mandala art or not. Also you can draw by using whatever color you want to draw. I have chosen this red and black color combination to make it look more beautiful, and this is the most old drawing of mine. Some of my mandala art are still left to show you guys, but for sure I'll be uploading next part of my mandala arts very soon. Make sure to check it out also. Till then, don't forget to tell me whether you like this video or not. Also comment down below which one is your favorite mandala art among all these. And till then, keep drawing. See you in the next video.